Hello students, good morning to all of you. This is Bablu Kumar teaching in Jesus Samari Academy. Today we are going to discuss how to solve exercise 1D. We will learn to write the numbers using the Indian and the international number system. In the Indian number system, the place value chart is divided into spreads as one spread. One spread consists three digits. Thousand spread consists two places. Lakh spread consists two places, and crore spreads two places. For example, suppose we are said to write any number. Suppose this is the number, and you are told to write this number or put commas this number according to Indian number system. So we first, this is ones, tens, hundred. This is one spread. Thousand, 10,000. This is thousand spreads. Lakh, 10 lakh, lakh spread. So we put one spread consists three digit. Ones, tens, hundred. So put comma after three digit. Then thousand spread consists two digit. Ones, tens. Sorry, thousand, 10,000. So we put commas here. In this way we can show the number or add the number according Indian number system and international Indian number system. Now we are going to discuss the next point is international number system. In the international number system, the spreads are one spread, thousand spread, and million spread. One spread consists three places, thousands spread consists three places, and million spread consists three places. For example, suppose there is number. How do we read this number? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million, so on. So as we know that in the international number system, one spread consists three digit, so put comma here. Thousand spread also consists three digits, so we put comma here. And million spread also consists three digits. In the same way, billion spreads and trillion spreads also consist three digits. Now let us discuss the exercise 1D. Now rewrite the numbers using Indian and the international number system. Write them in words. Here the number are 7,59,302 and the second number is 48,39,654 according to Indian number system. So we can write this one in words. 7,59,302. In the same way, the second number, which is 48,39,654, should be written in words according to Indian number system as 48,39,654. In international number system, we can read this number as 759,302. We can also write this number in words as 759,302. The second number 4,839,654. We write this number in words according to international number system. 4,839,654. Now the second question. Write the numbers in figures and in words in the Indian and international place value system. And there are two numbers given here. The first number is 2,94,098 according to Indian number system. And second number is 20,71,982 according to Indian number system. So we can write this number in figure 2 lakh, 94,000, 98. We write here 2 lakh, 94,000, 98. In the same way we can also write 20 lakh, 71,000, 982. In words, we can write these numbers according to Indian number system as 20 lakh, 71,982. In the international number system, we write this number as 294,098, 2,098, 294,000, 294,098. In the same way, we can also write this number as 2,71,982. Now the next one, question number 3. Write the number using the Indian and the international place value chart, placing comma at the right place. The question number 1, the question number A, 407,822. We can write this number according to Indian number system or Indian place value chart as 4,07,822. We put here comma 4 lakh, 7,000, 822. In international number system, we write this number as 407,000, 822. Now the next one is write in figure as well as in words. Also write in expanded form. A smallest 7-digit number. As we know that 7-digit number, a smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. So we put comma here 10, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, 0, 0, 0, 0. We write this number in words as 10 lakh. And we can also write this number in expanded form 1 into 10 lakh plus 0 into 1 lakh plus 0 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1,000 plus 0 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1. Now question number B, largest 5-digit number. So as we know that the largest 5-digit number is 99,999, and we can also write this number in expanded form as 9 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1,000 plus 9 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 9 into 1. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. There is homework for you. You will complete exercise 1D in your notebook. Thank you for watching.